Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website here called Hideout TV, okay? And you're wondering, can you make money by just watching videos every single day? Now, let's take a look at Hideout TV. Let's see if it's legitimate. How much do they really pay? And the big question is this really worth your time? Or are there better ways to make money on the internet, all right? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 US every single month minimum, 100% from home, you just need a computer and internet connection. I'll send you that strategy for free. Just go ahead and click the link in the description box. I'll send that directly to your email if you would like, all right? Now, look, there are a lot of different ways to make money on the internet. We live in a day and age where there's tons of different apps and websites where you can just hang out on the websites, do a few tasks, and make some money. There are apps where you can do things, tasks, gig work, things like that, build businesses, so many different ways. But the problem is that a lot of these strategies don't actually pay you that much money, right? So the big question is it legit and is it worth your time? So let's take a look at Hideout TV to see how this website really works. Now, the cool thing about Hideout TV, first of all, I want to mention is that this website is 100% legit. That means that if you come to the website and you watch videos, you spend the time, you see the ads, they will really pay you real money out, okay? Now, the cool thing is that this website works globally. So you can just come in here and you can click on sign up and you can sign up from pretty much anywhere in the world, right? So once you've signed up, you'll see your different interface and you'll find different videos in different categories that you can watch. So for example, you can watch, anything really, Pokemon, Mystery Dungeon. You can see this technology video on the Nilkin OnePlus Pro case. You can see, this person making cookies in the Filipino kitchen. You get the idea, right? Now, any of these videos, the way that this works is they make money by showing you ads, okay? So it's an ad delivery platform. That's how most video websites work. A lot of platforms work off advertising. They get advertising revenue from their clients. They show it to you on their videos. They expose the ads to you, and they pay you a little bit of money for the time that you're spending to watch the ads, right? That's kind of how it works, all right? So let's just say I was to watch one of these videos, and you can see there are different timings on the videos, but on average, videos are roughly about 4 to 5 minutes long, okay? So this video right here, 5 minutes 45 seconds, this minute video here, 4 minutes 23 seconds, this minute video here, 3 minutes and 38 seconds, this minute video here, 4 minutes and 1 second, right? So the way it works is you click on any of them and they will show you an ad. Now, the thing about Hideout TV that you must understand is that not all the videos will show you ads. You see how it says loading ad right here? Okay, depending on where you're based in the world, they may or may not be able to show you an ad. Now, if you're logged in, you've signed up properly, and you're watching a video and you don't see an ad, like right now I'm watching this Grammarly ad, right? So this is cool. This means that if I watch this ad all the way through and I finish this video, I will actually get paid for watching this video, all right? But sometimes if you're in a country where they don't have that many ads, or maybe it's a particular time of the day, and you click on a video and you don't actually see an ad, it means that they're not going to give you any Hideout points for watching that particular video. So make sure you're actually seeing ads, because otherwise you're wasting your time, okay? Because it's about delivering ads and getting you to watch it, right? So I'm gonna watch this all the way through, and at the end of this video, I'm gonna get 3 Hideout points roughly for watching this particular video. Now I'm gonna explain again how much 3 Hideout points is worth and all that great stuff, but just understand that it's as simple as that, okay? After you're signed up, you just watch videos, you watch the ads, you watch all the way through, and just for watching it, they will pay you, or they will give you a little bit of points. And that's kind of it. It's very, very simple, all right? So the big question is how do you get your money out, and how much money can you really make from watching Hideout videos, okay? So I'm just gonna scroll back here again. I'm gonna go back, and I'm not logged into my interface, but when you are logged into your interface, on the left-hand side, you're gonna be able to redeem. Okay, so once you've watched enough videos, you've got enough Hideout points, you can redeem your money, and you can basically withdraw it with a minimum of $5 US. That's the threshold. So if you don't have at least $5, you can't withdraw your money, and you can get different gift cards and sometimes even Visa gift cards, depending on where you live in the world. It's different for different countries. Okay, so a low threshold, that's really cool. And you can withdraw into Visa credit, which means Visa debit card, which means you can spend your money on anything, which is really, really cool. All right. Now the big question is, excuse me. The big question is how many points does it equate into dollars? How much money can you really make from this? Okay, so I've done the calculations, and this is roughly the way it works, right? For every 100 Hideout points, you can make roughly about 10 cents US dollars, okay? 10 US cents. So 100 points equals 10 cents. Now the big question is how long does it take you to get to 100 Hideout points? Okay, now on average, each video is 5 minutes long, right? So if you watch videos for an hour, you can squeeze in roughly about 30. Hold on, let me do the calculations again. I just want to make this right. So 60 minutes divided by 5, that's right, 12 videos, okay? So you can squeeze in 12 videos, which means you get 36 points per hour. If you divide that by 100, it means it's going to take you roughly about 3 hours to get to 100 points, which equals 10 cents. So that means that if you're on Hideout TV for 3 hours a day, every day, you're only going to make 10 cents per day. That's very, very little money. Just to put things in perspective, okay? Because remember, this is a free website. So even though they are giving you real money, they can't pay you that much money because otherwise they're going to go broke, right? They don't get that much money from the advertisers, and there are literally hundreds of thousands of people watching their videos every single day. So they can't pay you that much money, right? So for 3 hours of watch time on average, you will make roughly about 10 cents in real money. Okay, so it's not life-changing. And by the way, the threshold is $5. So for you to add up to $5 before you can withdraw, it's going to take you weeks and weeks and weeks, maybe months, before you can get a $5 gift card. Okay, so that's kind of how much money you can make. It's not really worth your time if you think about it. If you're spending 3 hours a day on any website, even if you're not really doing anything, just watching video, I mean, 3 hours and you're only getting 10 cents, to me that is a complete waste of time, to be honest. So even though Hideout TV is 100% legitimate and it's real money, I mean, I think that for 3 hours, if you're spending that online, you can make hundreds of dollars versus 10 cents. Okay, it's not worth your time at all. There's so many ways to make money online. I mean, you could go fill out surveys and you would probably make, you know, $1 per hour filling out surveys versus watching Hideout TV where you're only making 10 cents for 3 hours. That is crazy, okay? So even though it's legit, I still think it's a bit of a waste of time. So that's my review on Hideout TV. This is a real way to make money from watching TV or videos, but please understand that the business model does not allow them to pay out that much money. And remember, it's free. You're not really doing anything. You're just watching videos. You're watching ads. How much money can they really pay you, okay? But if you're watching this video right now and you're online and you're like, Aaron, well, I want to make money online. You know, I want to make some side income. I'm on the internet. I have access to the internet. I've got a computer. Are there ways for me to make more money than 10 cents every 3 hours? Yes, there are a lot of different ways, right? There's the good, the bad, and the ugly. I've reviewed hundreds of different business models, hundreds of different websites. There's one favorite way for me to get to 5,000 to 10,000 US dollars every single month minimum if you do this correctly, and all you need is a computer and an internet connection, and of course the know-how on how to do this strategy. Okay, so if you would like to learn that strategy for free, I'm happy to send that to you. Just click the link below this video and I will email that directly to your email, and you can check it out if you'd like. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of Hideout TV today, and I will see you on another review. Take care.